Hey friends, if you wish to turn off the language bar or the input taskbar indicator on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you have to go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select typing in the right pane. Okay, once you are in typing, click on advanced keyboard settings. There is an option here which says let me use a different input method. If you check it, it is activated. If you uncheck it, it is disabled. And this one, use the desktop language bar when it is available. You can check it or you can uncheck it. So the question is that when I checked it, why weren't they available? Okay, so the thing is that first of all, I'm using one language on my system. If I had multiple languages, checking it would show multiple language bars here. Okay, and if I had the desktop language bar, then it would have been shown here as a separate keyboard symbol. Okay, and you can obviously check language bar options here as well. Oh, like if you want it floating on the desktop or hidden or something like that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.